Hi, in Power BI Desktop, you can show this icon. And what is this icon used for? And how do you activate this icon? So this is it. So take a look at here. You see that this icon here? So we have this icon here. So all this visual is interacting each other. But now at the moment, if you click on this visual interact with this visual. See? It's interact. Now, if you want to disable this interaction, so it's like whether this change, this do nothing. So at the moment, it responded with the change in this visual. If you want to disable that, what you can do is that you click on this none button. So now click on it, you see that it does not change. See, previously this changed, now it doesn't change. Now if I click on this here, so click on here, now look at that. It highlights. It'll highlight the part that belongs to the small business section. And this, what is this? This government spending, right? Government spending, out of this whole column, manufacturing price, half of it, close to like 50%, right, goes to the major price, goes to this government. Or the sales price, let's look at the sales price. The sales price is represented by this. The profit is right here. The profit is 10,000. So 10,000 profit. Let's go down here. If you go to the small business, 20,000. The profit for VTT. That's the product. And then we have Amalina. So let's click on here. See that VTT. This is again. Oh no, actually you don't read from here, right? Profit is here. The profit is 0.2. So we're reading this. The line chart is on here. Profit. So the label is very important to show that. See that? Now let's just read again one more time. Now it's not 10,000. It's 1.8 million. So if you want to know that profit amount, you can actually go to the visual, go to format, and look at the label, data label. All right. Perhaps you can see that. Oh, see here. Now, you can apply to all the series, or you can just apply to the label itself. Okay. Does it work that way? Let's just try again. All right. You see that it's now all the. No, that's not true. Let's just try again. Um, label apply option. So these are all the ideas come from okay, apply setting to the profit. So I'm just curious, why is it that it does not applies to it applies to all? It's supposed to apply to only profit. It should. All right. And you can also change that to a thousands or millions and so on, right? Automatic. It by default is already there, so you don't need to change that value. Display because it's automatic. Mm. You can change the color to some other color you like if you want to. Look at that. Okay, anyway, um, let's come back to here. So look at this here. So now I can see it clearly. That's close to 12. That's close to 7,000. The sales price. 1,000. The profit is actually 1.8. So look at that. Uh, so now next thing is that what's filter? Okay. So if you filter, right, you shouldn't see the other parts. So look at that. So the filter tells you that 1.8 million right there, 1.8 million. See, right, a million. And this one is this here. Now, if you use the highlight versions, it will be like this. Highlight versions, you still can see the whole, but highlight the parts. So that is called highlight. So how do we activate this? You go to Format, Edit Interaction. That is what it's all about. So if we disable that, oh, then you don't have to see that here. See that? So now it is in highlight mode. Okay, so let's just go back here one more time. Let's just disable that and remove that. So you can see that this chart, this visual is no longer interact with this visual. Well, other visual still remains. Now let's just try this here, page 1. So let's just go to page 1 with our control key. Alright, now this is something more than that, right? Key influencer. That's key influencers. Okay, so well, if you want to go back to that also you can use to add more insert button. Just try back, see if that works. Okay, let's click on it. It's back. So back, there you are. Alright, you choose this button here. You can move somewhere here. You choose this item. You can adjust it smaller. Very flexible. You see, it's back here. Wow. Alright, so you click here, and this is just as you can see that it doesn't move to another page. So what is it about, right, if we're using this here? Right, I explained this in another video if you follow so far. Alright, thanks for watching. In this video you just learned how to edit interactions, so you can control which what would the other visual do with this visual just by simply edit the interactions. Select the visual you want and then go to Format, Edit Interaction, and choose one of these 3 icons to choose. By default is by filter. Okay. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.